Guys, Mixed Media Girl here. So today we are going to do a kiss pour, and I actually just did one with an amazing color combination that I'm going to try to kind of duplicate. Probably not exactly the same, but I love to do warm versus cool when doing anything that has 2 cups or multiple compartments. This is a 10 by 10 canvas, and these are 3-ounce cups. I need a little over 6 ounces for this canvas, so I think that should be fine. So on this side, I'm going to do the cool colors. And if you don't know what a kiss pour is, don't worry, you will know very shortly. I'm going to do some white, some teal, purple, blue, and green. Actually pretty similar to peacock colors. And then, like I said, over on the left, I'll do some warm colors, including this awesome pink that I just created. It's a new color in my sunset. So actually I'm using this is basically my sunset set for the left side here. So I'll explain as I go. And I sell my own paints in my Etsy store for those who don't know. So I'm going to start with a little bit of black. And then I'm going to use yellow, red, orange, and this gorgeous pink that I call Razzle Dazzle. It's beautiful, beautiful colors together. So I'm hoping that I get something as awesome as the last one that I just did. So red, and then here's the pink. I'm filling these cups up really full. And I'm going to top this off with just a tad bit of the black. So, cool colors, warm colors. Now, for a kiss pour, you're pouring the cups simultaneously and touching the streams of paint on the way down. So the paint kisses as it goes down. It can take a little bit of coordination. But it's not too difficult, and it can give you some gorgeous results. Now you of course do not have to use contrasting colors, but I just personally think that it's fun. It's a little bit difficult when you get down to the bottom of the cups. Just do your best. And what you can do, just try not to drip. But if you have, it's really hard when you get to the end. So I'm just going to take the excess paint here and pour some on this side and pour some on this side. Okay. And now I'm going to tilt. So you can see we've got the warm versus the cool, with that little rogue drop. Okay. Not as cool as the last one that I did, but that's okay. Still awesome. I think I didn't put enough pink in here. That's okay. It's always that difficulty when you try to duplicate an awesome piece and try to remember exactly how you did it. All right, I love how this came out, even with that little rogue drip. I think this is gorgeous. I'm gonna let this sit here for a little while. We do have some fun cells popping up, luckily not too much. And we've got some gorgeous lacing in here. I actually really love this section over here. There's some beautiful green and white lacing in here. So I'll let this sit for a few minutes, and then I will bring you guys in for a close-up. All right, bringing it in for the close-up. I love this. I've forgotten how much fun kiss pours can be. I will be trying this again with the colors I was more intending. Put pink in a little bit sooner. Look at that awesome lacing though. Love this. This is like a little rainbow over here. So super fun. Some kind of cloudy cells popping up, which makes me think of just like a crazy wave. All right, I hope y'all enjoyed this. Try it out, have fun. Let me know what you think down in the comments. I'll see y'all next time.